guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're here with me, Sinead aka Siin Ciity, and today's video I'm kind of coming to you like half through it a little bit. So basically today is Sunday and it's basically been like a long time coming that I needed to wash my hair and just get on with some self-care bits. And I basically started washing my hair this morning and I thought, you know what, like there's so much more things that I want to do today that I thought I might as well make it a self-care Sunday kind of video and film a little bit of it with you guys. So I have planned to do like a face mask. I also want to put on some nails, like the second batch of nails that I got from She. And I also was gifted from Duvolle, I'm not too sure how you pronounce it, but I was gifted from them this Radiance Spin Care System, which is basically a facial exfoliating brush as well as a body brush. So I'm kind of really excited to try this out. I've had it for a little while now. I've like opened it up and kind of given it a little bit of a play with. Today I'm actually going to be using it for the very first time, so I thought, you know what, let me just film this video for you guys, give you my first impressions of this and how it works. If you stay towards the end, I will have a discount code for that as well, so anyone that is interested in it or likes how it works in demos. I've washed my hair, it's basically in the process of drying. I don't know how everyone else is out there in the world, but like sometimes when it comes to me and washing my hair, it can kind of take like a 2-day flex, because like I'll wash it one day and then the second day I might dry it, but like I'm not trying to like split it today. I'm gonna get on with the other bits and then I'm probably gonna go dry my hair out and then basically like progress with the rest of my day, because I'm not trying to do that tomorrow. I also need to do my brows. That's the first thing we're gonna go in with. So my brows have overgrown a little bit. I'm just gonna basically tidy them up and then we'll go straight into the Radiance Spin Care System, and then we'll go into the mask, and then we'll go into the nails. So that's kind of going to be the overall layout of the video. I hope that you guys like it. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on the video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please be sure to subscribe. And you know what, let's just get straight into it. So now that our brows are shaped and a little bit tidier in their natural state, I feel like we can move on to using the Radiance Spin Care System. They basically sent it to me for a test and try out for them. So in the package, you get 3 different types of brushes and you also get a pumice stone. These 2 brushes essentially are more for your face, and then this is a body one. But you will, with this device, required 4 AA batteries. You get a exfoliant brush head, which I believe is this one. And they literally just kind of pop on and pop off. And then you get another brush head, which is the cleansing brush head. Then obviously you get the pumice stone, which I think is obviously really good for like if you want to like give yourself like a little pedicure or just kind of tidy up your feet. And obviously you have your all over your body one as well, which is probably a little bit too big for your face, but you can, if you want to use it or attempt to use it like a little bit on your face, and you can. So initial thoughts are that the brushes do feel really soft. You can tell there's like a slight difference between that of the exfoliant and that of the cleansing. Like I think the exfoliant just feels like it's got a little bit more density to it than this one, which is the cleansing one. The device is waterproof, so you kind of just need the AA batteries and then you're good to go. So this device itself retails for $95 because it's an American brand, but in terms of UK pricing that works out to about £69. I'll basically be giving you guys a discount code where you'll be able to get 70% off. So if you are interested in the little skincare system, you get 70% off that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. But like whenever I'm having like a bad breakout or like my skin's just acting up, I tend to always go and use this, and it like sorts the problem out. Like by the next day my face is like getting back to normal, like we are good. So when using the Radiance Spin Care System, I really enjoyed the actual process of it all. You can see me basically rubbing it in circular motions on my skin, around my face, and I generally felt like I was getting like a little mini massage. Like the machine itself isn't too loud, so it doesn't make too much of a loud buzzing sound. Generally do feel like, and actually notice that it has gone in and given all your pores like an individual cleanse, because when I went to remove the cleansing brush, there was literally like so much like excess like dirt that was obviously left on my face and I hadn't realised, even though I had just washed my face literally to coming out of the shower and washing my hair. So it was really gave me like a kind of deep wash and a deep like kind of cleanse into my skin, which I really enjoyed. The Radiance Spin Care System to cleanse and exfoliate my face. As you saw, it was pretty simple, really easy to kind of attach the different brush heads onto the device. The device looked really nice on my skin. My skin does feel like it's really nice. Now go in using the mask that I showed you guys earlier, just to kind of put on my face and leave it on 15 minutes just to give me a little bit of hydration back into my skin. So I'm just gonna take this off because it's been on for long enough for now. And then I'm just gonna like do a quick rub in of the remaining product onto my face. And I can't even lie, like now that I've done that, like my skin just looks so much nicer. Like, because I think before it just looked a little bit like dry. Now I feel like my skin looks a little bit more revived. City will give you 70% off Radiance Spin Care System, which brings this down to around 20 UK British pounds and around $28. The price point for it is generally really reasonable. Really like gripe is it doesn't come with batteries, but I feel like for the price point, if you can get it at a discount, worth it. This isn't quite up your alley or your street. There's a huge range of hair styling tools and other like skincare products and things like that that you can always go and have a look at. So the last bit of my self-care Sunday that I'm going to do with you guys is doing our nails. So this is the nail kit, which is Moonlit, which is from She. I purchased this with in my initial order. I haven't actually got around to using the Moonlit, which is like a glittery purple, so I'm gonna actually do that for you guys today. Done with our self-care Sunday video. Like, my nails are on, I'm loving them, my eyebrows are done, my facial's been done. Like, really enjoyed myself today. Actually, it's been a little bit like easier than what I thought it would have been. I hope that you guys like this video, and please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Yeah, I look forward to seeing all you guys in my next video.